Hello there, guys. My name is Francesco from France, and today I am replacing Mislav. And as you probably guessed, my name is not Francesco from France. My name is Mislav, and nobody has overtaken my tutorial series. Okay, so you're still with me, and today we are going to talk about the RM cautionary tale. And basically, I'm just going to write it here. Cautionary. It's very hard for me to type and actually talk, so let me just go silent. Yeah, here. So RM cautionary tale. Okay, so I just actually want to make this video because in the last video I told you to be very careful with the RM command, and I actually want to share a story of mine which actually is something that should really ingrain this into your skull. Okay, so what happened? I was using my Debian computer, which I'm currently recording these videos on, and I actually had issues with setting up a touchpad. Okay, and setting up my touchpad means, basically I couldn't use my touchpad and I couldn't figure out why. And so I was trying everything, deleting some files, renaming some files, etc. But I deleted a lot of important files. And what actually happened at one point is that I had a mess on my computer. Okay, I didn't know what I was doing, and I deleted some files. I couldn't get them back, and I would look at other tutorials which assumed that I had those files, but I actually didn't have them. And what I needed to do was to completely reinstall my system. Okay, I needed to completely reinstall my operating system. It was really tedious, and I mean, it was actually not that tedious because I just bought my laptop and I was kind of trying to figure it out. So I just had to spend additional 30 to 45 minutes. I'm not sure how long it takes to install it. But anyway, I did have to spend that 30 to 45 minutes. But imagine what would have happened if I actually had some files on my computer. Now, some people will say, well, yeah, well, even if you deleted some crucial files, you could have still recovered and backed up your important files, etc. But my point is that don't even bring yourself to a situation where you need to do some mangling in order to save your files, okay? So be very, very, very careful with RM. Before you delete anything, make sure that you understand what it is you're deleting, why you're deleting it, that you spelled everything properly, that you're not doing stuff you don't, that you're not deleting stuff that you don't understand what they're supposed to do or what they're for. And I just think it's very, very important to drive this point home for me to have shared this story with the touchpad. Okay, and I figured out what was wrong. I actually didn't enable it, so I just literally had to press the FN F7 and then I actually enabled my touchpad. But again, in the process, I had to reinstall my operating system multiple times because I was removing some very important files related to the touchpad and quite possibly other things, because at that point I wasn't really acquainted with the Linux way. Okay, but now you are a little bit more enlightened in the Linux way, and I hope you will continue following the way of the penguin in the following tutorials. So thank you for watching and talk soon.